Hello students. Now let's get started with exercise 11C, page number 146. 11C exercise is related to the addition of time. Let's get started with question number 1A. Here it is given 45 seconds plus 15 seconds. So the number below the second group will be set as only seconds. So it is set as 45 second plus 15 second. So first what we have to do, we have to add it normally. 45 plus 15 is 60. 45 plus 15 is 60. So as we know that 60 second is set as 1 minute. So answer of the sum can be said as 1 minute. 60 second is equal to 1 minute. So the answer of the sum can be said as 1 minute. Okay children, let's move on to B number. Here the numbers are below minute group. So it is said as 35 minute plus 40 minute. So first we have to add it normally as we do the additions. 35 plus 40. 35 plus 40 is 75. 35 plus 40 is 75. So as we know that 60 minute is 1 hour. 60 minute is 1 hour, and this number is above 60, more than 60. So we can separate the 1 hour by subtracting 60. 75 minus 60, that is 15. So we have converted first 60 minute to 1 hour, and the remaining will be remain as minute. So 75 we have converted into 1 hour 15 minute. Okay children. Now let's move on to C number question. Here we have two groups, that is hour and minute. So the question will be read as 3 hour 32 minute plus 4 hour 48 minute. Now let's do the addition as we usually do it. So now the numbers will be added as minutes will be added in the minute hand side and hours will be added in the hour hand side. So 32 minute plus 48 minute. 32 minute plus 48 minute is 80 minute. 80 minute. So as you can see that 80 is more than 60, and 60 minute is 1 hour, and it is more than 60. So we have to separate it. So first we will be writing 7 hour, because 3 plus 4 is 7. In our hand side we have got 7. So we will be writing 7 hours. Then we will separate this 80 into 60 minute plus 20. We can subtract 60 from it to get this number. Okay children. So we will separate this number as 60 plus 20. Next, as we know that 60 minute is 1 hour. So we will be writing 7 hour plus 1 hour. This 60 minutes it is converted to 1 hour, and the remaining minute will remain as the same. 20 minute will remain as the same. In the next step, we will be adding this 2 hours. 7 hour plus 1 hour is 8 hours, and this 20 minute will be remaining. So the answer of the sum will be 8 hours 20 minute. 8 hours 20 minute. So students, you have to see that whether the minute is below 60 or above 60, because we know that 60 minute is equal to 1 hour. If the minute is above 60, then we have to separate the numbers, and we have to carry forward the 60 minute, that is 1 hour, to the hour group. Now let's move on to D number question. Question number D is given 10 hour 40 minute 26 second plus 4 hour 26 minute and 34 second. So as we are having another group here, that is seconds, let's solve the second part. 26 plus 34. 26 plus 34, that is 60. 40 plus 26 in the minute side. 40 plus 26 is 66. Then our side it is 10 plus 4, that is 14. As normally we do the addition, we have to do the addition first. So as we are having second group here, so first 60 second is 1 minute. As we know that 60 second is 1 minute and 60 minute is 1 hour. We have to see that the 60 second, we are having this 60 second. And 60 second is said as a 1 minute. First we will be writing that. First we have to write down the same question, that is the sum 14 hours 66 minute 60 second. This sum we will be writing first. Then 14 hours will remain as the same. As you can see here, this is 66 more than 60. So we have to separate it. 60 minute plus 6. 60 minute plus 6. And here the second is not more than 60. So it will remain as 60 second. It will remain as 60 second. In the next step, 14 hours will remain as the same. And we know that 60 minute means 1 hour. 6 minute will remain same. And 60 second is 1 minute. 60 second is 1 minute. So here we are adding 14 hour plus 1 hour is 15 hours. And 6 minute to 1 minute is 7 minute. So we got the answer here as 15 hours 17 minute. 15 hours 17 minute. Now let's move on to question number 2. So here it is given about years and month. We have to add here the question related to years and months. So it is said as 9 years 3 months plus 3 years 6 months. So as we know, we have to add it normally. 3 plus 6 in the month side is 9 and 9 plus 3 in the year side is 12. So it is the answer of the sum is 12 years and 9 months. 12 years 9 months. Let's move on to question number B. 10 years 11 months plus 13 years 9 months. So let us add it normally as 11 plus 9 is 20 and 10 plus 13 is 23. 10 plus 13 is 23. So students, as you know that 12 months is 1 year. 12 months is 1 year. But here we are having 20 months. 20 months. We are having here 20 months. So what we have to do? Yes, we have to separate it. We have to separate it. Let us write down first our answer. 23 years, 20 months. So 23 years will remain same, but the month we have to separate from 12 months. So 12 months plus 8 months. You can subtract 20 minus 12 to get 8, the remaining months. So you can write as 12 months plus 8 months. Now we will write down 23 years will remain same. Now this 12 months, as we know 12 month is 1 year, so we have to write down 1 year, and 8 month will remain as 8 months same. In the next step, we will be adding 24 year plus 23 years plus 1 year, that is 24 years now, and 8 months will remain as the same. So the answer of the sum will be said as 24 years and 8 months. 24 years, 8 months. Students, you need to note down that if the months answer in the sum is more than 12, then it will be separated. By subtraction, you can separate it. As we know that 12 months is equal to 1 year. Now let's move on to question number 3a. Question number 3a is given about hour and minute. As we have already read how to do this, let us get started with the normal addition. 3 hour 28 minute plus 4 hour 15 minute. So let's add now the minute side. 28 plus 15 is 43. 3 plus 4 is 7. As we have not exceeded 60, this is not more than 60. So the answer will remain as same. So the answer of the sum is 7 hours 43 minutes. Next move on to D number question. Here it is given about years and month. So here the question is 7 years 4 month. 7 years 4 month plus 8 years 11 month. 8 years 11 month. So let us add normally as we add. 4 plus 11 is 15. 4 plus 11 is 15 and 7 plus 8 is 15. So as you have seen that the months have exceeded 12 and we know 12 month is equal to 1 year. So we have to separate it by subtracting 12 from it. So 15 minus 12 is 3. So 15 years, 15 months, first we have to write down. Then we will separate this 15 months. So same 15 years plus we have to separate it 12 months plus 3 months. 12 months plus 3 months. In the next step, 15 years. As we know that 12 months is equal to 1 year. So we have to write down here 1 year. And the remaining 3 months will remain same. So as you can see here, 15 years plus 1 year is equal to 16 years. And here 3 months remaining same. So the answer of the sum is 16 years 3 months. Okay children. So you have to see in the question that whether the month part is exceeding 12 or not. If it doesn't exceed, then it will remain as same. But if it exceeds 12 months, then we have to separate it. And the 12 months we have to convert it into 1 hour as we have done here. Okay children. I hope you must have understood how to do the additions. So students, you need to do the exercise 11C in your notebook. Thank you.